Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you an app that pays you daily for completing surveys at a convenient time. For completing surveys and offers at a convenient time. So to get started on this app, the first thing you want to do is click on daily rewards, get scratch cards. So the next thing we want to do right now is to sign up. We haven't signed up, so for signing up you're gonna get 50 karma points for signing up. So you're gonna sign up right now, enter your email, your username and your password, then you sign up. Now we're gonna sign up, then click on yes, and then input your referral code. Input this referral code right here. Ensure you input this referral code, then click on submit after inputting this referral code. Then once you've inputted the referral code, you're gonna earn some points for inputting my referral code. You're gonna earn points and some bonuses. When you click on bonus, as you can see, when you input my referral code, you get 300 points. Then when you verify email, so next thing we want to do is go to our email inbox, then leave. So right now, after opening the email, click on verify my account, with offers of your choice, and earn points for doing so, unlimited points for doing so. And here, right here is your profile. As you can see, for everything you do you get points. For everything you do, for referring people, for earning badges, everything you do you earn points for each and everything you do right here. So here is the rewards, and there are many rewards right here. So we're gonna be using the United States reward, and you can see there are many gift cards to redeem right here. You can use the Amazon gift card, the iTunes, the Google Play, any gift card of your choice. You can choose it right here and redeem once you have reached the minimum withdrawal. As you can see, each gift card has their own points, minimum points of withdrawal. Here is the wallet section. So once you redeem the gift card, you look for your gift card here after you redeem your points. So once you redeem a gift card right here, you're going to click on the wallet section, then it's going to display your gift card for you. And right here on this app, you can invite friends. Within 500 points, when you referral, earn a reward plus 30% of everything they earn. This referral, when you refer your friends, you're going to earn a lifetime commission. Then you give 30 karma points. When your friends get 30 karma points, that's when they enter your referral code, they're gonna get 200 karma points. So right here, this is your referral code. You can find your referral code right here. Then you can refer your friends to join. So you can come here every 24 hours to get daily rewards. Every 24 hours you can come right here and gain rewards. Here you can see you can earn rewards for watching videos. Rewards may be delayed by 10 minutes. You can earn rewards by watching videos, and you can earn rewards by scratch card, that's by watching advertisements. There are many surveys to complete right here. You can choose any survey and complete any survey. Any survey is available for you to complete on this app, and their offers are updated. Offers are updated as much as possible. Here is your profile. You can invite friends. You can explore this at your own reach, at your own convenient time. So as you can see, there are many gift cards for you here to redeem. There are many gifts that you can see: Amazon gift card, the iTunes gift card, the Google Play, any gift card of your choice. And right here, if you're in any way, you can select this country right here and redeem your gift card. But if you're right here in Nigeria like me, or you're in Africa watching this video, you can select United States. I prefer you select United States. As you can see, it's popular all over everywhere. You can redeem it to Nigeria, anywhere of your choice. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do well to leave a like and a subscription.